everyone, sabadi. Okay, guess what? Today we are making Jeow Bong. Okay, this is so good. I'm not kidding. It looks like so many ingredients, guys. But you can keep it for a long time in a container and eat with the sticky rice, all kind of stuff. Okay, anything you want. Breakfast with the scrambled egg, fried egg, boiled egg, whatever you want. Okay, and of course pepper. It's very hot. Okay, and come see my ingredient here. I have a chili pepper, makpet no, and then this is this one, you know, like how like I peel it up, is called Guajillo. Okay, it's the chili pepper. It's a Mexican word. So anyway, there you go. And then I will show you how I cut this. Okay, and then we have the fried garlic here, and then my chili pepper. That's my signature chili pepper. And we have kaffir lime leaf, and we have a cow skin, and this is galangal that I slice very small, and I kind of like let it air dry a little bit. That's why it's dark. Okay, sorry, this is shallot, guys, shallot. Okay, and this is my garlic, fried garlic also. And then all the ingredient here, I have like chicken flavor, and then I have sugar, water, fish salt, and this is oil from that I deep fry the garlic. So that's, like I said, you can save that oil, do so many things with it, give you more flavor, and it's really good. Okay, let me tell you about this pepper. Today, normally I deep fry them, and then I'm gonna, you know, blend and all that, or, you know, do all kind, but I'm not. I have, it's already ready, so I'm gonna put this one away. Okay, and this part right here, this one right here, I have to deep fry a little bit. Okay, so what I do, I just cut off like this, the end and the tip. Okay, and then I slide it open up. I'm gonna make a little messy, but that's okay, so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, and cut like pea. Okay, I'm gonna put here for right now, and then after I finish with that, I'm gonna go ahead and put this away so you guys can see. Okay, and then I have some is already open, see, like that. Okay, and then I cut into the piece like that. Okay, I mean, you don't want to deep fry the whole thing because they're so big, right? And then you don't know how they're gonna cook for you, you know. So you want to make a small piece so you can see what's going on with your food. Okay, and meanwhile we're gonna move over here, so you have to use like two parts. Okay, and one, I'm gonna go ahead put my galangal in and slow cook my galangal. See, I go ahead, you have to cut like grill and real good first. Okay, and I will leave you the ingredient, how I do what I do. Okay, and this one right here, I'm gonna use just a regular vegetable oil. Okay, I'm gonna use a regular oil. Then I'll wait until my oil hot first. Okay, and I'm gonna do half at a time. Okay, and this kind of chili you can do inside the house because they're not strong smell. Oh, look at the beautiful color. Like it's ready, but the one that I already deep fried first, they kind of like give like crunchy a little bit. See, can you hear it? Crunchy, but when it's hot, it's still soft. See, still soft. So this is perfect right now. So you want to wait until it's cooled down and you feel that, get that crunchy sound. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. This is perfect right now. You know, when you're cooking, you have to take time, like step by step, okay, and patient with your food. If you want your food to turn out good, just patient with them. Okay, see how beautiful the oil. You can save that for cook the other dish too. Okay, but the reason I don't use this oil for this dish, this one is gonna give me so much color already, then I don't need this oil. Okay, so I'm gonna go turn off my heat, and I'm let that one set for a while. you know, what I do here, I kind of like go ahead grill the galangal a little bit, get the heat kind of like, you know, it's make a little bit kind of like soft, but you don't want it to be super dry, okay? It's also, it's kind of like sanitize the, you know, galangal too, because you're gonna cook this and leave them for a week or so, you know. Sometimes, I mean, this dish, you can save almost a month if you put in the refrigerator, okay? See, it look like it's hot, but they smooch very easy. See, just take time. You know, if you love to cook like me, you don't mind to do this at all, because I know my food gonna turn out very, very good. So I'm gonna go ahead continue. Do this and I show you, okay, until it's like smooth. Okay, see my galangal? I want that kind of texture right there. See? Okay, and then I'm gonna put on the side. Right here for right now. Perfect right there. And now I have my kaffir leaf, and I supposed to deep fry these two, and I'm gonna use the same oil. Okay. Oh wow, it smells so good, guys. It smells so good. In the net, take the oil out. Okay. And meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead. I use some water and then I put sugar in. Just sugar and water first, okay? With my pepper. No, sometimes I don't know why I like to cook the hot way. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my kaffir leaf in. Let me put this away a little bit. Okay, what I do, I already put kaffir leaf in, and I go ahead and add the galangal. Smells so good. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my shallot that I deep fry. Put half of garlic together first, and then you just wanna do this and smooch them, and then just add and go. Okay. The last of this in. Skin in. And continue do this until it's mixed well, okay? Okay, you see how like it's this color and you smash them pretty good like that. Put everything in here, okay? Right? And then you're gonna go ahead, put it in the pot. And when you do that, your heat's supposed to be low, okay? It's on low right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead put my seasoning in, chicken flavor. and fish salt. I mean, as you see, I don't put no salt in because if I need to be more salty, I'm gonna go with fish salt, okay? So you wanna do that? And now go ahead, put your product in, all the stuff you get ready here. You're gonna see the color changing. Okay. See how beautiful it is? And this is the water. And then I'm gonna go ahead use my garlic oil. I go ahead move up to medium heat. And then you're gonna have to be like, you know, let it slow cook, okay? Make all the ingredients get together. So look how beautiful it is. Look, you guys. The color looks so yummy. It looks so good. See how it's kind of like little thick? I'm gonna go ahead and add a little oil. Right? At least like 5 minutes, okay? And make sure all the seasoning get together. This is the time. Okay, this is a ground pork. I just sprinkle the salt into it a little bit. And then I have a vegetable oil. See, my ground pork is crispy and it's completely cooked, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drain all the oil out. Just leave like that, okay? Until it's little cool down. Until it's crispy, then my next step. Yeah. Okay. See, this is like powder now. So if you wanna add the meat, you can add some more. Okay, this is ground pork. But I'm personally happy by my, you know, happy that don't have to put any meat on. But if you wanna add some meat, do that. Okay. Now you mix well. Look at that color. Okay. Put inside the container and put in refrigerator. And when you want to eat, just put a little bit in the bowl and warm up in microwave, okay? Here's the, I'm gonna use my rice. Okay. Oh boy, I don't know I want to go for this, but I have to. It's got no choice. Better, not hot. Very good. Perfect for me. Okay, so I'm gonna serve my dinner now. อันกายแก้วบ่องแล้วสีสันงามแล้วก็หอมอีกเด้หอม You know, when you eat this, you can eat with sticky rice, and like I say, it's hot sauce. You can go with everything, beef jerky, fried egg, whatever. But today I want some chicken, so it's gonna go with my chicken thigh. Okay. Let me see. Let me taste this one. This is gonna be awesome, guy. Oh, I'm so hungry. And after I finish with this, my kitchen look like tornado hit. But it's worth it. You know, I don't have to cook every day with like this. You do like once a month, okay? And then send to your brother, sister, your mother-in-law, your mom, your dad, whoever. Look how good it is. See, the color of the food is very nice. And you eat with the chicken. Ooh, let me taste this. I love it. Hi. Have this one, curry chicken, okay, and a lot of herb too. ชิมอีกก่อนแซ่บ It's not that hot. Look how much I put. Bye bye. See you next time. ลาก่อน